Hello, everybody. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson. In this update, we're going to talk a little bit about an unsettled trend of weather for the region, particularly as we go through the weekend ahead. Details are coming up right now. But first, my friends at Robert Gibbons Sons want to ask if you have a cool spot in your home or office or one that just stays too hot. I'll tell you what. A mini split system just might be the solution for you. You can receive up to $2,000 at a tax rebate for the installation of one of these Bryant energy efficient systems. Call Robert Gibbons Sons today. Please let them know that Hutch sent you. Now let's take a look at this hour by hour forecast heading into the next several days. Now, after we go through Friday's rain showers, which will be quite heavy down in parts of southern Minnesota and possibly eastern South Dakota as well, I do see that as we go through a very quiet Sunday for most of the area, we're going to see some storms developing here in the afternoon hours out to the west in parts of western South Dakota. Those storms will come through as we go toward the late evening hours, and there is a risk that a few of these could be strong to severe, but some locally heavy rain. Notice, not all areas are getting this. And this American model here, well, I'll tell you what, there's no agreement on the precise track of these storm systems as of yet, so there will be adjustments to this. Just suffice it to say, Saturday night, Sunday morning, a round of storms will push their way through. Monday morning and afternoon look delightful, but look what comes later in the day. Another wave moving off of the high plains will bring a chance for some scattered showers and storms as we go into your Tuesday. It does look like more widespread activity is a possibility making its way through the region Tuesday night late into Wednesday morning. Now, the timing of these storms, if they happen to be overnight like that, usually would dictate that the severity level would be a little bit lower. But we're going to keep our eyes on this. And heading into Wednesday, more of the same with waves rolling off of the Rockies. In comparison, let's take a peek at what that European model is showing. And again, there are some differences between the two. I'll highlight those right now. Here is a look at what's going on with the European model after we get through the Friday showers there that exit. Now, as you see, some waves move off the Rockies as we head into Sunday. Sunday, most of the day quiet. South winds lacing the atmosphere with heat, energy, and part of that energy comes from humid air. So humid air working its way finally up into the northern plains could mean Sunday evening thunderstorms on the European model. So the two models don't agree with the timing on that. And this far out, it's just too early to make a call. Suffice it to say, a few of the storms Sunday night could be strong to severe. Those will dissipate, leaving us with a pretty good Monday as we get started with quiet weather. It will once again look to be warm. Now, storm wave makes its way off of the Rocky Mountains, and as we head into late Monday night and Tuesday morning, a few showers and storms will encroach or move into our area. That wave moves out toward the Great Lakes as we head into Wednesday. There's another chance for a few spotty showers and storms that develop as we go into Thursday. So unsettled weather looks to be the rule on both of those particular models. This is what it looks like on the 7-day planner. 2-day showers, most abundant to the south of the FM area, will bring some locally heavy rain. More on that in just 1 second. Temperatures dropping back into the 60s for many on Friday, particularly in Minnesota, where rain showers will continue to brew to close out the work week. Sunny. Saturday looks delightful as we just went over. Late day and early morning thunder showers Sunday night into Monday morning, Monday night into Tuesday morning, and possibly Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, depending on which model tends to hold out, with temperatures rising into the middle of the work week. Now, here's a sneak peek at what we're expecting with regards to your afternoon as we go through tomorrow. Smoke west and south, and then late we'll see some mixing down in the northern valley. Unhealthy levels at that. Rain showers keeping things mighty cool from the west to the south, and thunderstorms at night look like this as we take a snapshot of those showers for your drive time home at 4 o'clock. Here in the southern valley and southern Minnesota is where the heaviest of the rain will persist. We'll have a chance of rain at Fargo. I think we see 0 in Grand Forks, but rainfall amounts could be significant down to the south. Near the South Dakota border, over a half of an inch of rain will be possible. We could pick up a few hundredths here in the FM area, maybe a tenth or two. And look at this. Periods of storms both through the night tomorrow and into Friday morning. And more Friday evening. Well, it looks like we could have some heavy drenchers working their way out in southern Minnesota. That does include the Twin Cities. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. I appreciate your support right here on Hutch's Weather. Pass the word along to a friend that Hutch still does the weather and loves every minute of it. HutchesWeather.com, anytime, anywhere. Follow on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, but more importantly, have an awesome late week.